Hi everyone, in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make Spotify playlist public. So normally when you create a playlist on Spotify, it is private and only you can view it. So to make it public, you need to first open up the application of Spotify and then open up your playlist. After you open up the playlist, you need to tap on the three lines here. From there, you'll see on the bottom of the screen an option for Make Public. After you tap on Make Public, and again you go back to this screen, you'll see that the Make Public has been converted to Make Private, which means this playlist now has been made public.